This week on Fogo, the debates on decentralization are heating up, and Fogo Fest is just around the corner. On top of that, we've got big community updates from Velixo and Brasa Finance. So pull up a seat by the fire, subscribe to join the camp, and let's dive straight in. 1,000 or a handpick of nodes. Robert highlights that networks often start with a permissioned or handpicked set of validators, then transition to a permissionless system open to anyone who meets fixed criteria. This is true for Solana and for Hyperliquid. This topic matters because regulators are still defining what decentralization means. The key debate is whether decentralization is measured by the number of nodes or by where the economic control lies, a question of node count versus stake concentration. On another front, Robert argues that Solana is passing up a major opportunity. He believes that by not embracing new projects, Solana is leaving potential value on the table. He poses a simple question: why not partner with them to create a way for that value to directly accrue to Solana? Our understanding is that this could relate to SVM chains such as Fogo. And big news on the events front, Fogo Fest in Seoul has now confirmed the speaker lineup, which includes Austin Federa from 00. If you're in Seoul, you cannot miss this one. On to some community updates. Velixo Market, the NFT marketplace that will power NFTs on Fogo Chain, will be live soon. And right now, what you can do is just follow the steps to join their waitlist. Check in and just join the waitlist. Brasa Finance just hit a milestone with stFOGO, Fogo's liquid staking token, crossing 1,000 holders on testnet. Right now, Brasa is the only way to earn staking rewards on Fogo testnet. Head over to Brasa Finance and give it a stake. Lastly, every day we post a new video testing out new dApps on Fogo. We posted one yesterday, placing a market order on Ambient. Make sure you check them out every day. That's a wrap for this week. I'll see you in the next one.